Hey there, I'm Jessica, and today I'm super excited to help you and your little ones explore the wonderful world of reading with just 5 simple letters. In this video, we'll go over the sounds that each letter makes, and then we'll build words together using those letters. This step-by-step process is perfect for helping your child learn to read in a fun and engaging way. You can even watch it with your kids and pause when needed to practice together. Step 1 is making sure that we're familiar with the letters that we're using. Let's start with the letter O. This is our vowel. It will be in every word that we build today. The letter O can make more than one sound, but today we're going to focus on the short O sound, ah, as in octopus. Now we'll move on to the letter T, which makes one basic sound, t, as in taco. Up next is the letter P. The letter P makes this sound, as in pie or pencil. But one thing that I'll point out is that with the letter P, people often add an extra sound to make it easier to hear, so it ends up being p instead of p. But try not to add that extra sound. Now on to the letter M, which makes this sound, as in mouse. And the last letter we'll go over today is the letter N, which makes this sound, as in nest. Okay, it's time for step 2, building and sounding out words. Today we'll start with a 2-letter word. We'll use the letters O and N, and then we'll place magnets underneath them, which we'll use to help us sound out the individual letter sounds. And then I'll use a dry erase marker to add a line underneath, which we'll use to blend those sounds together. All right, let's give it a try. On. Great. Now we're going to add the letter M to the beginning of the word. We're going to change the letter N for the letter P. Now we're going to add a magnet under the letter M and extend our line. Now let's sound out this new word. Mop. Great. Now we'll exchange the letter M for the letter T. Top. Great. Now we're going to actually exchange the letter P and T, and we'll sound it out. Pot. And our last word, we're going to change the letter P for the letter N. Not. Great job. Let's go over the words that we learned today. On, mop, top, pot, and not. So with just 5 letters, we've created 5 different words. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out more resources on my website, like my Simple Words Reading Kit, which is a complete kit for helping your child learn to read. The link is in the description below. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe for more reading tips, and share it with other parents. Together we can make reading fun to help every child reach their dreams. Until next time.